Hi, today I will be showing you some photography work that I've done over the weekend and the settings that I used, so I really hope you enjoy.
These skies have a different light, white noise that keeps me up at night. I can't help but think back to you. I wish that I could find a face that I would recognize. I replay the memory of you. It's been hard, you know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait? 'Cause I've been counting the days, and I'm calling up to say I'm coming home to you. I'm coming home to you. Ooh, ooh. I'm coming home to you. And I know that it's time overdue, but I'm coming home.
So thanks for sticking around to the end of the video, and let me know what was your favourite photo that I took. Let me know in the comments below. And if you like, hit the subscribe button, thumbs up button, turn on the post notifications so you don't ever miss one of my videos, and I'll see you very soon. Goodbye.